welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. In this video I'm going to be doing something a little adventurous. As you can see by the title, you guys already know exactly what I'm talking about. I want to try and recreate these bonnets. I've been seeing this bonnet on a lot of people since last year, particularly on Jackie Aina, and I've always wanted to get it. Last time I was in London, I tried to buy it on La Page Trend website, but I saw the price and I was like, oh my lord, what have you saw? That's expensive. My bank account was crying, you know what I mean? Like, it was crying. So I just could not. And I was like, look, I've got like 3 separate you know, fabrics that I'm not really using. So I'm really nervous. I'm so nervous. But let's it's better to try to do something and fail at it than not do it at all. I feel like that's my motto lately. I feel like that's my 2018 motto. Try to do it. If you're thinking about something, do it. If you fail at it, at least you tried it, you know what I mean? You're tried. So I have a majority of things I feel like I would need. So here are the fabrics that I have, and I'm still trying to decide which one. I've also got satin and I also have some needles, and I also have elastic band because I feel like I'm going to need an elastic band. And the reason why I feel like that is because of this satin cap I have right here. All right, so I changed fabrics. I'm gonna use this one instead. When I googled, I found out that there's about 90 centimeters in 1 yard, so that's what I'm gonna measure off. And all right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cut this in half. Basically, you know, I'm just gonna cut it in half. Let me just scrunch this up and determine where my half is. So there we go. I mean, I could measure it to determine where my half is, but anybody's time. So there's my half. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's just perfect. I wish someone was here to hold this for me, but I'm gonna use my leg. Okay, there we go. So I'm cutting 29 centimeters wide off of this, you know, straight down that way. This is gonna be for the edge of the bonnet, in my mind. That's what I'm hoping anyway, you know. 64 centimeters, you know. Okay. Should I use hot glue gun? I think I want to. I'm feeling lazy already. Yep, I'm gonna grab a hot glue gun. So basically I've just gone ahead and laid the actual fabric inside out, and the actual satin material has 2 sides to it as well. So one side is actually more smoother than the other as usual. So I am also going to, you know, lay it just like so that way the smoother side is facing outwards, because this is the side that's going to make contact with my hair. And I'm going to sew it, not hot glue gun it together. Alright, so I've gone ahead and sewed the, not sewed, hot glue gun. I actually started sewing, but I was like, nah, gosh, that's really annoying me. So I went ahead and I hot glue gun the material to the bend of the bonnet, okay? And I realized that I needed more fabric, so my measurement was about, what is it, 10 centimeters short, so just in case, you know. So I'm glad I had a little bit fabric, so I just attached it with hot glue gun actually, you know, to the actual material. So now I am going to, so when I was actually hot glue gunning the fabric to the cap, I was scrunching it up a little bit. That's why I needed more fabric. I didn't really think about that too much when I was measuring it in the beginning. So if I was to do this again, that's what I would do differently, okay? All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and join both ends of the cap together now. Maybe I should leave it like this. It looks kind of cute though, doesn't it? This looks like a skirt. I feel like I just made a skirt. I could hot glue on the skirt and just wear it. Oh yes, baby. Okay, all right, cool. I'm just going to join these two together. All right, so I just need to kind of like just messily tack it somehow, you know what I mean, so that way it stays. Just messily tack it until I learn how to do it professionally. I don't know. Maybe. Guys, it's done. And it almost kind of looks like a purse, doesn't it? Imagine it's just sitting here, you think it's a purse. All right, let me put it on. All right, so this is what it looks like, and this is the inside. Oh, that actually kind of looks cute inside out. This looks cute though, I'm not mad at it. Oh, let me send photo to my friends, they're going to scream. I have a bonnet, look at me. I'm so happy. Oh my lord, guys, this work. I mean, it's not the most like professional job ever. It's messy when you take it off and you inspect it, but when it's on, you'll be like, did you get yours from Glam by Socket too? But then when you look at it, you're like, nah, that is not Glam by Socket's work. I love her work, you know, so yeah. Ooh, this is looking good. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment section, I can't even speak. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. This will do until I eventually buy one from Glam by Socket. You know, we're gonna see. All right, thanks for watching. As always, whatever there is, love yourself, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye bye.